Rajasthan has witnessed Rajas and Maharajas who left their marks in the history of India. Rajasthan architecture characteristics include amazing forts, grand havelis or palaces, and intricately curved shrines. All these features perfectly portray the history of the state's famous legacy. So let us have a tour in this part to Jaipur with Travels Unlimited. One of the major attractions of Jaipur is the Amer Fort or the Amer Fort, located 11 kilometers from the Jaipur city. Amidst the Aravalli mountain range, Amer Fort is known for its artistic style elements. With its large ramparts and series of gates, the fort overlooks Maota Lake, which is the main source of water for the Amer Palace. The architecture of Amer Fort can be summed up as a perfect blend of art and nature, a fusion of Rajput and Mughal architecture. The construction began in 16th century by Maharaja Maan Singh, a commander in the army of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. From then, the palace was the residence of Rajput Maharajas and their families. The fortifications and palaces inside it were made up of red sandstone and white marble. The main entry is through the Suraj Pole or the Sun Gate, which leads to the first main courtyard. This is the place where armies would hold victory parades on their return from battle. The second courtyard houses Diwan-e-Aam or the public audience hall. It is a raised platform with 27 colonnades, each of which is mounted with an elephant-shaped capital with galleries above it. The Raja held audience here to hear and receive petitions from the public. The third courtyard is the Diwan-e-Khas or the Hall of Private. The private palace was kept cool in summer by covering its arched opening with screens woven with roots of aromatic grass called khas. Air passing through the screens was thus cooled and carried also the fragrance of the grass into the palace chamber. Then the entrance is followed by the Sheesh Mahal, the mirror palace. The ceilings and the walls are exquisitely embossed with multi-mirrored ceilings. These mirrors glitter bright under the candlelight. At the time, it was in use. The walls around the hall hold curved marble relief panels, and those speak a lot.
Trunk of elephant, backside area of fish, pair of cobra, scorpion, sunflower, leaf of banana, ear of elephant, honey bee, ants, butterfly, seashell.
Folk music of Rajasthan is originated from emotions, stories, and daily activities of Rajasthani people. Here, the ladies of the royal family used to watch functions held in the Diwan-e-Aam through these latticed marbled windows called the jalis. The Maota Lake is located just in front of the Amer Fort. The lake contains an island in the center named Kesar Kairi Bagh or the saffron flower beds. A close observation shows that it consists of three-level garden, geometrically patterned, star-shaped flower beds. The design is very much inspired by the Persian and Mughal gardens laid in Agra and Delhi. A little garden is present in front of the Sheesh Mahal in the classic Mughal pattern called Char Bagh. Facing the Sheesh Mahal is the Sukh Niwas, or the Raja's private apartment where he retired to rest. Raja Maan Singh had 12 queens. This courtyard has many living rooms where the queens reside and who were visited by the king at his choice. South of this courtyard lies the palace of Maan Singh I, which is the oldest part of the palace fort. In the central courtyard of the palace is the pillared Baradari, or 12 doors. Originated in Rajasthan, these Pichwai paintings are painted on the walls whose main subject is to portray different gestures of Lord Krishna. Here, a number of pavilions, frescoes, and colored tiles decorate the room on the ground and the upper floor. All the sides of this pavilion are connected to several small rooms with open balconies.
नमस्ते राजकुमारी को नमस्ते नमस्ते मैडम को नमस्ते
Overwhelmed with the puppet show at the exit of Maan Singh Palace, we were thus came to an end of the Amer Fort visit. Thus, from the very ancient time, India shows a grand fusion of culture, religion and languages of the people belonging to different castes and communities. Cohesiveness is our strength and we are proud of that. If you like this video, then put a thumbs up. You may share this also amongst your friends. In this Rajasthan trip, we have also visited to Ranthambore National Park. Do watch this video in our channel Travels Unlimited. Till then, goodbye to our viewers.